Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a reputable VPN app, a live account on Wattpad, and the problem you're solving. Install and open the VPN, sign in to the VPN service. Once done, pick a nearby server in a country where Wattpad works. This lowers latency and avoids geo-blocks. Connect, then wait for the VPN to report an active secure tunnel. Make sure to keep the VPN app running while you proceed to Wattpad to test access immediately. Now configure the VPN for reliability. Choose WireGuard or Open VPN UDP for a fast, secure connection, because speed reduces timeouts when loading stories. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection to prevent accidental exposure of your real IP. Then clear Wattpad app cache or open a private browser tab to avoid cached errors. Once done, load Wattpad and verify you can browse, read, and sign in without geo. Finish by confirming sustained access. Use Wattpad for several minutes to ensure pages and chapters load reliably. Once satisfied, keep the VPN on while using Wattpad. Make sure AutoConnect is enabled for future sessions. If you hit issues, try 2 or 3 different server locations and reconnect, because some IP ranges are flagged. As a final troubleshooting tip, toggle protocol, disable IP6 in system settings, and restart your device. This often clears stubborn routing or leak problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.